In the early years, the corporate teams from the Human Resources Department looked after all things related to the staff, and the finance teams managed all the accounts and fiscal transactions. Later on, companies started using dedicated teams to support this administrative work in finance and HR-specific activities. This consolidation of services brought in the trend of centralization. With every new acquisition, companies were required to consolidate the entrant company's operations with existing back-office systems. This necessitated the need to establish process standardization across all business units of the enterprise. Centralization of operations and standardization of different processes led to the creation of shared services models. With shared services as a new sourcing method for obtaining services, companies could ask their business units to migrate non-core and transaction-oriented processes to these newly created internal services units, while retaining control over core business activities. The efforts started with the consolidation of various types of function-specific activities, enabling the companies to achieve uniform service standards across the enterprise. Initially started with transaction-based services that included higher volumes. Companies soon realized that shared services can also offer cost savings, using the principles of economies of scale, thereby resulting in the emergence of back-office processing centers. In the next phase of streamlining the operations, technology played a major role, and it was used to enable standardization across all the functions and processes carried out within the enterprise.